channel. Today I have a new recipe for you for balsamic glazed Brussels sprouts. Let's go ahead and get started. So I started with 1 pound of clean Brussels sprouts. I bought a store brand package of ready to eat Brussels sprouts, but as you can see, they were not all the way trimmed and there were some leaves that need to be removed. So you want to take your time and go through them to make sure that you have clean and trimmed Brussels sprouts. Next, you want to add your Brussels sprouts to a full lined sheet pan. You want to make sure that they're in a single layer so that they all cook evenly. To toss them with olive oil. You want to make sure that all of the Brussels sprouts are coated evenly to ensure that they have a crispy exterior. Next, you want to season them with salt and pepper. Now, I do a 2 seasoning process when I make Brussels sprouts. The first seasoning is before they cook and the second is after. The reason I choose to do this is because the second seasoning provides a texture from the salt and pepper on the Brussels sprouts after they come out of the oven. After you season them, you want to toss them to make sure that they're coated evenly, and then we're going to place them in an oven for 20 to 25 minutes at the temperature of 350 degrees. So here's what they look like after they come out of the oven. This is when I do my second seasoning of salt and pepper. Okay, so after the Brussels sprouts are placed on their serving dish, I tend to top mine with a syrupy balsamic vinegar. If you prefer to make a balsamic glaze, it's just 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar on medium-low heat for about 10 minutes. Okay, so here's our finished product. I do have the recipe with the measurements listed below in the description box. Please feel free to like and comment and subscribe for future videos. Thanks so much. Bye.